Good morning, Ryan, Stagecoach Farm and Forge. This is the day-to-day vlog, January 2nd, 2021. Looking forward to showing you guys the reveal of the biggest order yet and the cookware that we've been assembling over the last few episodes. So without further ado, let's get to it. This is our cat's favorite thing to do with water pouring on her head. Okay, making good progress. All I got to do today is put together 3 spatulas that go along with this order, and that completes it. Then we got to sandblast and season the pans, and it will be ready to ship out. And I can show you guys what they all look like when it's all done. Sometime in the near future, I will be making kitchen knives. Here's some steel I got from the New Jersey Steel Baron of some high carbon knife steels to test out and try different things with. I got Nitro V, that's a high carbon stainless steel. We got 52-100, which is a classic for knives. And, it's also a ball bearing steel. We got an A2 tool steel and an 80 CRV2, which is also a very popular knife steel and makes really good blades. So these 3 are similar in that they all can be oil hardened, and the heat treat is very similar. This one, however, the high carbon stainless is actually air quenched. I'm gonna quench them in between 2 fat aluminum plates, and I'm gonna blow compressed air on them. And then these ones are gonna get a cryogenic freezing treatment as well. So that's a little more complicated, totally different procedure. So I just laid out some more pizza pie spatulas. I'm gonna cut those out and throw one of those in there for the biggest order yet. This is a bonus. Okay, here's the cutout for the pizza pie spatula, inspired by my buddy, Mr. Eddie. I made one for him a while ago and he loves it. And I realize it does kind of look like an ice cream cone a little bit. But I assure you, it does not taste like one. So when we're on the farm here with chickens, sometimes we have no eggs, sometimes we have way too many eggs, which is the case now. So we have eggs with everything. And what we have behind us is kimchi. And around here we call these hipster tacos because they got kimchi, Korean kimchi on a taco. I know it's weird, guys, but it's really good and I do love it. Homemade kimchi is delicious and very, very healthy. So this is going to be a handle for the lid. All copper. Next it gets twisted and the leaf veining added. And I may have had a little bit of help from Helga squaring it off. Thank you, Helga. All right, so here's the handle for the lid. I got all the spatula blanks ready. We're getting closer, guys, but we're not done yet. And I am tapping out for today. So I will see you on the next episode. Please subscribe and come back for more later. I don't know where you're staying, but you can't stay in my shop. So go on.